Alright, so I believe that this cave right here, across the lake here from Brunel Village, I believe that cave is where I need to go to summon a bear, kill it, and get the rune. And to summon it, I use that pig meat that I picked up right here. I'll move that into my first bag so I can find it easily. And I'm just going to run around the lake here over to this cave. So I'm right here on my map. Alright, so cave is cleared out. I'm gonna drop this meat and run. Here. Alright. Alright, because that room, let me run down here, it might be a little safer to look at. Alright, so this one, me and my pet, when I get one, deal simultaneous instant damage. And then your Raptor Strike, which is my only melee one, has increased damage for 10 seconds. Okay, so I want to put that one on my pants, and then I want to put that one before Raptor Strike, so that I can, 30-second cooldown, but sometimes this will reset it. So I just have to watch for that. Alright.